Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Naila. I am from this chemistry department and my age is 15. Now I will discuss the second course of Python, Intermediate Python. Chapter 1, Basic Plots with Matplotlib. And data visualization. It is very important in data analysis, explore data, it report insights. This is the example of data visualization and histogram explorer data set, get idea about distribution. This diagram shows example of histogram. Customization. Uh, Many options, different plot types, many customizations, choice depends on data, story you want to tell, basic plot. This is the example of basic plot. Chapter 2, Dictionaries. Dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. As of Python version 3.7, dictionaries are ordered. In Python 3.6 and earlier, dictionaries are unordered. Dictionaries are written with colored brackets and have keys and values. Dictionaries cannot have two items with the same key. Dictionaries items. Dictionary items are ordered, changeable, and does not allow duplicates. Dictionary items are presented in key value pairs and can be referred to by using the key name. When we say that dictionaries are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order and that order will not change. On Unordered means that the items does not have a defined order. You cannot refer to an item by using an index. Dictionaries are changeable, meaning that we can change, add, or remove items after the dictionary has been created. Chapter 3, Comparison Operators. The Python comparators commonly take two values and compares them. It normally produces Boolean values as true or false. For example, if we give 3 greater than 2, it produces the result as true. We have six comparators in Python. These are strictly less than or equal, strictly greater than or equal or not equal. Boolean operators. The Boolean operators in Python are widely used and have numerous applications in functions and conditional statements. Logical operators like and or not and comparison operators like are used to compare the values and result in Boolean outputs of true and false. Truth tables are used to summarize the outputs of these operations. Comparison operators can also be chained for ease of coding but might lead to short circuiting. Chapter 4, while loop. If elif else control.py goes through construct only once, while loop equal to repeated if statement, numerically calculating model, repeating action until condition is met. Example, error starts at 50, divide error by 4 on every run, continue until error no longer greater than 1. This is the example of while loop. Python. Python while loop is used to execute. Python while loop is used to execute a block of statements repeatedly until a given condition is satisfied. And when the condition becomes false, the line immediately after the loop in the program is executed. While loop falls under the category of indefinite iteration. Indefinite iteration means that the number of items the loop is executed is not specified explicitly in advance. Statements represents all the statements identified by the same number of character spaces after a programming construct are considered to be a part of a single block of code. Chapter 5, Random Numbers. Python defines a set of functions that are used to generate or manipulate random numbers through the random module. Functions in the random module rely on a pseudo-random number generator function random, which generates a random float number between 0.0 and 1.0. This particular type of function is used in a lot of games, lotteries, or any application requiring a random number generation. Random number operations. First choice. Choice is an inbuilt function in the Python programming language that returns a random item from a list, tuple, or string. Second, run range. The random module offers a function that can generate random numbers from a specified range and also allowing rooms for steps to be included called run range. Third, random. This method is used to generate a float random number less than 1 and greater or equal to 0. Fourth, seed. Seed function is used to save the state of a random function so that it can generate some random numbers on multiple executions of the code on the same machine or on different machines. And the seed value is the previous value number generated by the generator for the first time. When there is no previous value, it uses current system time. That's all from my side, Sakala.